Winter festival is a season of joy, lights, and creativity. One of the most magical parts of the holidays is decorating our homes with ornaments that brings warmth and happiness to our home. And every corner, every sparkling ornaments is give a piece of our heart. From sparkling baubles on the tree to handmade stars and snowflakes to the walls, each decoration tells a story and creates unforgettable memories. This year, you don't have to spend a fortune to make your home shine with simple materials like ice cream sticks, glitter, ribbons, or recycled glass jars, bottles, wasted bottles. You can create stunning X-Max ornaments that look professional yet hold a professional touch. Imagine turning ordinary sticks into golden snowflakes or painting pine cone into shimmering centerpiece. The beauty of handmade decoration is not just in how they look but in the love and creativity you put into them. Hope you understand my talks, hope you understand this and how to use this. Here are some wonderful decoration ideas. Create DIY ornaments using popsicle sticks and paint them into stars or Xmas trees. Make candle holders from recycled glass jars wrapped with twine and a sparkle of glitter. Hang handmade garlands across your living room using dried using dried pine cone and oranges and beads or bells. And don't forget small details like decorated gift boxes, bows, and handmade cards can make your holiday space feel. So viewers, we are trying to bring for you very best and unique designs. I hope everyone is watching this video. Keep shining like a star. Keep smiling on the face, and hope you like that all ideas and designs. So viewers, watch till the end, stay tuned and get for more surprise and more tips. So viewers, as you've seen in this video, these are very beautiful and amazing ideas. Creative tree ornaments using popsicle. You can make creative tree ornaments using popsicle sticks and paint them into stars or Xmas tree. Festival is not just about decorating, it's also a golden opportunity to grow a small business. People are searching for unique handmade items to give their loved ones or decorate their homes. If you enjoy crafting ornaments, this is the perfect season to share your talent. Here how you can grow your business during Xmas time. Start small, sell your handmade ornaments at local markets, schools, fairs, or holiday events. Use social media platforms, post photos or videos of your creations on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Show people the process of making your crafts. They love seeing the story behind each piece. Create bundles offer sets to ornaments or decoration kits that families can buy as gifts. Add personalization. Customers love ornaments with names, dates, or custom colors. It makes them feel special and one of a kind. And finally, you don't underestimate packaging. Before beautiful wrapping with ribbons, tags, or eco-friendly boxes can instantly increase the value of your product. Remember one thing, people don't just buy decoration, they buy the feelings, the spirit, and the joy that comes with them. Say Abu Chiyal, split the kebab. Say. Your handmade crafts can become part of someone's holiday memories, which is priceless. So this festival, let your creativity shine not just in your home but as a growing business with love, efforts, and a little sparkle. Your ornaments can bring happiness to families and also build your dream brand. After all, festival is not only a season of giving, it's also a season of growing. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Keep watching, keep spread smiling on everybody's face. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. If you want to watch more videos like this, so stay tuned with us and leave your comment in the comment section. We will try to bring best ideas, best designs for our viewers and subscribers. It is the video that made by our effort and love. So thanks for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care.